Shum, and I am an employee at Human Kinetics as well as a certified personal trainer. And today I'm going to be demonstrating a workout that you can do at home with just a kettlebell and a timer. This workout comes from our book titled Kettlebell Training. There's a new edition coming out in November, so be on the lookout for that. But I'm really enjoying this book because it's simple and an easy way to just mix up your workouts at home while you're at home during quarantine. So, how this workout works is that there's 2 exercises that I'll be going over. You're going to be doing each exercise for 20 seconds on with a 10-second rest. So, first exercise I'm showing is the one-arm swing. So you want to start with your kettlebell out in front of you here like this, okay? You want to hinge back the hips like you're going to do a deadlift. You want to make sure the shoulders are back. So nice proud chest. And then you're going to reach out in front of you for that kettlebell. And then you're going to bring that kettlebell behind you. As soon as it hits behind you, you're going to swing it forward, thrusting those hips, squeezing the glutes at the top, okay? Something you want to keep in mind when you're doing this, you don't want to arch your back, okay? You'll cause back pain if you try to arch your back. Also, if you're not tucking your stomach in enough and send those hips back far enough, you're also going to feel some back pain. So you kind of want to pretend that someone's going to punch you in the stomach. So like this, and then thrusting those hips, squeezing those glutes at the top. So you do your right arm for 20 seconds, you'll take a 10-second break, and then you'll switch, you'll do your left arm for 20 seconds. You'll do 4 sets total, and then a minute in between each of those sets. So that is your first set of the exercise. The second part of the exercise, you'll be doing a one-arm press. So you're going to take that kettlebell, you're going to bring it up here. Okay, you want to make sure you get a rack in front of you, and you're going to press up over the head, and bring it back down. Okay, you'll do that for 20 seconds, and then you'll switch and do your other side. Something to keep in mind while you're doing this one is you want to keep a nice long torso, core tight. You're using every muscle throughout your core to press that above the head. It's not just in the shoulder. Okay. Another note is that you do not want to come out here with the kettlebell. That's going to cause some shoulder issues.